What is up, guys, and welcome to another episode of the Tech Hub. In today's episode, we are going to unbox the new iPad 7th generation mini. It just turned up literally 2 minutes ago. Let's unbox it. To this, I mean, I've been wanting this product since forever. Obviously, they're not on a yearly upgrade cycle. They should be. And following the tech community this week, seeing reviewers that have had their hands on it earlier, seeing all the commentary on how disappointed people are with the specs. Look, with every single product that Apple released, there's always something somebody's disappointed with. For example, the iPhone 16, great phone. However, people still complaining it's not 120 hertz. You know, there's probably an example for every single device. Yes, they could have made this, the bezel smaller. They could have done a lot more, but hey, it is still a brand new iPad mini. The near perfect iPad, in my opinion. But hey, we can't get everything on our wish list, so I'm super excited to unbox this. So, like I said, let's delve right in. So, iPad mini. Okay. Now, one thing I would agree with the commentary, they could have done a new wallpaper. I mean, come on. But hey, it is what it is. So this one is the 128 gigabyte iPad mini A17 Pro. They didn't even call it the 7th generation. Now, I've gone for the cellular version this time. I've wanted a cellular iPad for a while. I didn't want to fork the extra out on my iPad Pro. And actually, I nearly didn't because it's eSIM. However, I'm with Sky Mobile. Now, one of the reasons I'm with Sky in this country is I can share my data. So I got the lowest data capacity SIM card. I think it's £5 a month, and I will just use my piggy bank of data to top it up. And it is eSIM. That's the thing that nearly stopped me. However, I've never done eSIM before, so I'm gonna set this up and do it. So let's unbox it. The typical. Oh. Got to be done. Oh, and one on the bottom. Double the pleasure. Very cool. Now, I'm not expecting a mains plug, but I'm expecting a braided USB-C cable. So let's have a look. We'll uncover that in a second. Yeah, just the braided USB-C, which is great. I mean, braided is such better quality. So I'm actually quite satisfied with that. Didn't expect a plug. Now, is there stickers? Probably not. Instructions, who reads them? I'm not even going to open them. It's like, look how many there are. There must be all in the different languages. But no stickers. Not expected anyway. To be honest, I never used the stickers and they always remained in the paper envelopes anyway. Anyway. Very cool. Okay, now I've gone for the Starlight. Now, one of the reasons I've gone for the Starlight is this is the last time I had to change a color so all of my devices match. Apart from my iPhone, I now have this in Starlight. I have the iPad Pro. I have the MacBook. The Mac Studio is obviously silver. I have now completed my silver journey. Now, it's called Starlight, and in certain shades or light, you can see quite a gold tint. And I also believe that Apple think it's a bit more gold, because if you look at the cases this year, and I did get a case, I'll show you in a minute, but I didn't get any of the new colors because they didn't really match this. There is charcoal to go with the space gray, there is denim to go with the blue, and there's light violet to go with the purple. However, they've done olive to go with this. Obviously, I haven't seen it in person, but on the website, I just really didn't think the color matched. So, obviously, apart from the color, and of course, I've got the antennas now because it's cellular. And of course, it says iPad mini. you would not know it's a new iPad. And for me, that's not a bad thing. It still sits in your hand gloriously, which is why this is still, actually not still, is the best iPad they've ever made. You really wouldn't tell. So let's fire this bad boy up. Apparently, there is a software update for it, 18.0.1. I'm not going to do the actual setup now. What I'll do, I'll follow up in about a week's time. I'm going to do a review, of which I'll talk to you about in a second. Oh, hello. Okay. That's about as far as we're going to get with this unit. I'm going to set it up. I'm going to run it through its pace for about a week, and then I'll do a follow-up review. However, as part of that review, I'm also going to look at some accessories as well. So I finally took the plunge and went for the Pencil Pro, which not only works for my iPad Pro, but is now compatible with this iPad. So I shall put that through its paces. I did get a smart color, but one of the original ones. So the 6th gen and this new iPad is the I'm just going to call it the 7th gen. They're compatible with the same. These are the colors last year, so I've just gone for the white. So I'm going to check that out. Again, this matches. I've got an iPad cover for my Pro, which is also white. So again, silver, white, silver, white. That's going to match up quite nicely. Now this I'm not going to do a review on, but a big tip for everyone, for the sake of £6, get a screen protector. Not only do you keep its value, but you're going to keep it nice as well. Get a screen protector. Here we go. So I'm going to put that on pretty much straight away, actually. And lastly, and this was just delivered, literally as I was recording this video. So I'm super happy that it came now, because I was going to reference it in this video. Now, I do enjoy gaming, mainly on my PlayStation and on my computer. However, I really want to game more on the iPad. And I thought, you know what, this is a great device to game on. I looked into the controllers for it, and I think I have found something that will make me want to game. The Kishi Ultra by Razer. When the iPad mini goes in this, it will look like pretty much that PlayStation Portal thing they have. So I'm going to check this out as well. So that's it for today's video. However, like I said, I am going to follow up with a review of not only the iPad, but the Pencil Pro and this. I'm actually doing a separate video for this. Let's see how I get on. So my expectations of this iPad, pretty much for me, and I've put it in some comments on people's videos that I've watched about this new iPad. From the iPhone 15 to the 16, it was just snappier. I'm expecting this. I'm expecting this to be snappier. I'm expecting it to game really well. And for me, it will be a no support upgrade, but let's see how I get on for the next video. So that's it for the unboxing. So thank you for watching this episode. Tell me what you think. Are you getting an iPad mini 7th gen? Were you thinking about it? Has this video helped? Any questions for me? Please be nice in your comments below. Please like this video. Please subscribe to me. Please follow me on Instagram and Threads at TechHubWorld UK, and I'll see you on the next episode.